Subtracting of mixed fractions becomes easy if you follow the steps one by one. And in today's video, we'll learn exactly how. So our question here is to subtract 5 whole 1 by 6 from 10 whole 2 by 3. So first thing, to convert these mixed fractions into the improper fractions. So we multiply these 3 and 10 equals to 30 and add 2. That is 30 plus 2 equals to 32, and write the denominator as it is. Similarly, we multiply 6 and 5 equals to 30 plus 1 equals to 31 by 6. This is our first step. Next, we look at the denominators. If the denominators are different, then we find the LCM of the denominators. So to find the LCM, we divide both the number by a prime factor. So here 3 and 6 can be divided by 3. And now we have 2 and 1. We cannot divide 1 by 2, but we can divide 2 by 2. So 2, 1, 2. And 1 remains as it is. Now we stopped finding the LCM here as we get here 1 in the final step. And our LCM, we write our LCM as 3 times 2 equals to 3 times 2 equals to 6. This is our LCM. Now comes the very important step which many students miss. Okay, so look at the board very carefully. Now the denominators here are 3 and 6 and LCM is 6. So both the denominators must be equal to 6 now. So to make this 3 equals to 6, we have to multiply this 3 by 2. And since we multiply 3 by 2 here, we should multiply this 32, the numerator, also by 2. Both these numbers should be same. And this is very important. Remember this step. Okay. Now minus. Here the denominator is 6 and the LCM is also 6. So in that case, when the denominator and the LCM are same, so in that case you don't need to multiply by any number. Okay. Now I'll rub this portion. Now it's a simple multiplication. That is 32 times 2 equals to 64, and 3 times 2 6 minus 31 by 6. So here you can see that both the denominators are same, that is 6 and 6. So you are now very close to finding the answer. Okay. So now since both the denominators are same, in that case we just draw a line and write only one denominator, that is 1 6 here. Then we copy the numerators that are 64 and 31. There's a minus sign in between, we put the minus sign in between and we subtract, that is equals to 33 by 6. Now comes another important step. So here we have to check whether these numbers are in lowest forms or not. That means whether these two numbers are divisible by any other number or not. Since we can see 33 and 6 can be divided by 3, that is 3 11, 33 and 3 times 2 equals to 6. So now we have 11 and 2, and these two numbers cannot be divided by any other number. So this is our lowest form, 11 by 2. And it is not over here. Okay, since this is an improper fraction, and whenever you have the answer in the improper fraction, you must always convert this to the mixed fraction. How? We divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, and write the final answer, that is equals to 5. That is the quotient, the remainder, and the divisor. This is our final answer. So remember the steps. Okay. Now pause your video and do this sum. Okay. I hope you got the answer as 2 whole 1 by 24. Let us check the solution step by step. This was the question. We converted this to the mixed fraction, and we found the LCM of 8 and 12 here as 24. Then we converted each denominators equals to 24, multiplying 8 by 3 and 12 by 2, and we got 24 here as the denominators. Then after subtracting the numerators, we got 49 by 24, and these two numbers cannot be divided by any other number. These are in the lowest form, but this is an improper fraction, so I converted this to the mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by the denominator. Okay, so do these sums, okay, and comment down your answers. If this video helped you, I've done the subtraction of fractions with different denominators. Please check the link on the comment.